It's good, we're getting to know our truck. Oh dear.
We've spent the last couple of months shopping for the perfect truck for our tiny house camper project. Now that it's been delivered safely to the yard, it's time to start cleaning up the cab and removing 27 years of mud and horse. Hopefully, by removing the layers of grime, we don't reveal anything too nasty.
You know what I was just saying about it not being too bad? It's bad.
The road to off-grid.
The day our 1997 Mercedes 814 horsebox was delivered, we couldn't wait to make a start. So we got to cleaning all of the rubbish and vacuuming the areas that we could reach. But the more we cleaned, the more we realised that we were severely underprepared. So we made a new plan of attack and called it a day. Hello everyone, we're on our way back to the yard, except now we come prepared with tools and cleaning products and these fun drill brush things to try.
I think we start by taking as much of the rubber floor, the mats out as we can, until we have to take the seats out.
Yeah.
Oh gosh. The mud and stuff that's coming out of this smells pretty bad. Oh, there we go. Oh, that was well easy.
Minimal snappage.
I didn't break anything. Some of them are concerningly loose.
Okay, so now what?
I don't know. Oh! The seat folds down. It's happening. We're doing it. We're gonna have to take this metal storage thingy off. You got it?
I think so. That's gonna flop.
Oh gosh!
One down. One to go.
Oh, what is this? Is it important?
Yes.
Oh, it's actually quite clean.
That's night and day.
Yeah, that's not too bad. What's this?
Rust.
I spoke too soon. Got to take the gear stick off so we can take this rubber mat off. I was worried I was unscrewing
No,
the...
this isn't moving.
I think this is excessive. Yay!
Oh.
Oh, so gross.
Yes. Now it's only cost us £1,499.
Pen and a coffee cup. Put that on eBay. Oh, I don't want to flick it because there's like 20 years of...
Very gentle.
Cool, so there's just one last mat to take out. Just need a 15mm spanner, 17mm spanner, please.
Should that gear knob thing come off first, or is it part of it?
It's not looking like we can take this rubber mat off without taking this metal bracket that holds the gear stick thing in place. So that means we're going to have to tilt the cab forwards, which we haven't figured out how to do yet.
So let's figure it
So
out.
let's figure that out next.
Picking it up.
It's got a lot less weight in it, so it might spring up a bit. This is unlocked. I've unlatched that. Oh! Oh! That was quite successful.
It was scary.
You can really see the extent of the corrosion under the cab now, and it's not too bad actually. These are the bolts that are trapping the rubber mat in the middle. Managed to loosen one, I can't quite get on the other one, so hopefully it's enough. 1, 2, 3. There it is.
Got your latch lock?
Yeah. I think this should just come out now.
Oh gosh.
Yeah.
Hang on.
Don't leave me hanging.
I literally
Nice.
took an hour, 2 hours, an
Yeah.
hour. Should we try and take these panels off?
Yeah?
These panels all the way along are all missing their screws.
Oh,
That's the ashtray.
ashtray comes out.
Ooh. Another pen! Yes!
What? All right, let's take this off. Oh, wait. Oh. Oh, there we go. That wasn't screwed on either. That's good. I don't know if you remember, like at the beginning, there was this funny light on the dash. And I was like, I don't know what that means. And someone in the comments told me that it means that there's an error, like an error code. And that I'll have to plug this in to an OBD reader and it'll tell me. But if anyone knows about that, please let me know.
Got a dirty old truck, caked in muck, smells of horses and mud. Rust on the doors, muddy floor, seats all brown and torn. Gonna clean her up, shine her bright, scrub that cab all through the night. Gonna clean her up, gonna see her gleam, gonna do her up like you never done seen. Gonna do her up like you never done seen.
Off the brushes.
Caked in muck, smells of horses and mud. Rust on the doors, muddy floors, seats all brown and torn. Gonna clean her up, shine her bright, scrub that cab all through the night. Gonna clean her up, gonna see her gleam, gonna do her up like you never done seen. Gonna clean her up, shine her bright, scrub that cab all through the night. Gonna clean her up, gonna see her gleam, gonna do her up like you never done seen. Gonna do her up like you never done seen.
Wow, what a transformation. It looks great.
It does, it looks really, really
A
good.
massive improvement already. And we've just cleaned some mats. So I'm feeling pumped. I think it's going really well.
Yeah. Yeah, and everything's come apart like relatively easily, like a couple of stiff bolts, but like that's it. Everything's come out. Yeah. I mean, it helped that a lot of the screws are missing.
Yeah, that's true. And it has uncovered a few little trouble areas that we'll talk about in a minute. But first, we just want to say thank you so much to everyone that's left comments and subscribed to our new little channel. It's been so nice reading through your comments. Yeah, some really wholesome and heartwarming stuff said. So thank you so much for that. A lot of people in the comments have been asking about what the long-term plan is for the truck. So we haven't really covered what we plan to do after the truck's been converted. And so I've made this handy graphic to explain our long-term goals. We covered in our last episode the 4 steps that we're going to be taking to finish the truck, with step 1 being the one we're in now, cleaning up the cab. Step 2 will be taking off the box. Step 3 will be servicing and fixing up anything mechanical. And then finally step 4 will be adding on our new box. But beyond that, we actually plan to buy some of our very own land, build a business on there. So camping, glamping, hospitality, we'll be building eco buildings, teaching people how to build them, and then eventually we plan to actually have a bit of an off-grid community there where just like-minded people can come and work on the land with us and just getting away from it all and settling down off-grid. So it's not just the camper. After this, it will be building things, building homes to live in, and all the off-grid stuff.
So back to the truck, the cleaning has revealed some potential areas of rust. And we can't put it off any longer, so we better have a look to see how severe it is. Hopefully, it's not too bad. So over here on the driver's side, it's not looking very good. I can already see quite a lot of rust. Let me show you. We have got this surface rust, or at least it looks like surface rust, which doesn't look too bad because I can see shiny metal underneath. We've got one hole here, which is from where the screws of the mat go into the metal. So that's going to need sorting out so the tapping screws have something to go into. But this gutter here, I can already see that there's holes. So that's not something I can do today because it's going to need cutting out and welding in a patch, which I've never done before. So I'm going to have to figure that out. And this surface rust, I think, can be treated with something like a rust converter and then painted over, but I'll have to look into that a bit more. Let's go over to the passenger side where hopefully it's not as bad. You've got two bits, this bit and this like guttery bit down here. I'm just going to knock all this loose stuff off, all this top layer of paint, because it looks bad, but it's just a little bit, of delamination. You know what I was just saying about it not being too bad? It's bad.
Oh.
This is fun.
You're enjoying yourself?
Yeah, are you filming?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm having fun. It's good, we're getting to know our truck. Oh dear.
Oh.
I found another hole. It's just, what do you do? I guess we just replace this whole bit here. What do you think we should do? I don't know, how much do we have to replace? Can we just cut this bit out? I think that'll probably be okay.
I think that's probably the easiest.
Yeah. So there we go. It could be better, but overall I don't think it's too bad. We're gonna have to go home, do a bit of research because I've not done any patch welding before. So yeah, well, I guess we'll call it there and we'll see you in the next one.
Next time on the road to off-grid. Did you want me to smile?
Yeah. When do we install the massive sound system? Okay, change of plan again.